Thanks to our religious leader to give us prayer. And this time I would like to introduce our board member, our community representative from each ethnic group. So first I would like to invite the host of this church and also on behalf of the Japanese community, John. Thank you.
Good morning. All right. I'd like to welcome everybody to the church for the festival today. Hope everybody has a nice time. There will be plenty of performances later this afternoon. So it should be a lot of good things for everybody to enjoy. So everybody have a good time. Thank you.
Thank you, John. Next, I would like to invite our Thai community representative, Lee Kim.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the Wat Buddha Nasorn, the Thai Buddhist temple just down the street, with not quite as big a building as this, I'd like to welcome you to today's festivities, and I wish you a very nice time, and please enjoy. We'll have food this afternoon, and as we mentioned, also shows. I'd also like to give a short plug for the Thai temple down the street. We will be having a festival at the end of the month, and please come down. There's some brochures and some information on our table outside. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Next one, I would like to invite Filipinos community representative, Bert.
On behalf of the Filipino community, I'd like to welcome everyone to this celebration. As in the past 17 years, the performances that we will be watching later are not only great, but it will lead us to understand and appreciate the different Asian cultures. As you may know, there are many racial turmoil happening around the world. Today, we're here to show that in this part of Bay Area, the many different ethnicities of peoples around us know how to coexist in peace and harmony. As we say in Filipino, mabuhay and enjoy the festival. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, I would like to invite community representative from Taiwanese community, Emily.
Good morning, everybody. It was a pleasure and delightful to join this event this morning. And I can see John worked very hard to all this event and planning. And I'm very happy to presenting from Taiwanese Chamber of Commerce. And this is our 15th term. John is the first president of our Taiwanese Chamber of Commerce. And I'm very happy to, a congratulations for her for his 17th of this festival. Thank you very much. Enjoy the program.
Thank you. Next, I would like to introduce our board member, also the community leader from Waikiki. It's represented in the Newark area. We'd like to have the Jerry.
Ohio gozaimasu.
Ohio.
Thank you all for coming. I want to thank the temple for having us back. Not only Asian American Heritage Community, but this is coming home for Wataiko because we started playing drums in this temple. And then we joined with the Newark School District, and there we teach taiko. I hope you enjoy the entire program today. There's many groups who have worked hard, studying and practicing for years, and sometimes they practice almost every day to show you their stuff. Very diverse cultures have come together to make this happen for you. And John, thank you for your time. He is amazing what he does to put on events like this year after year after year and gets nothing back except a smile. So, thank you, John. And thank you all for coming. And please stay for the whole thing. If you get tired, eat, rest, find a different chair, look at it from a different
Shea for his dedication to the community and as well as the Asian American Federation of California. It's very important that we do honor and celebrate Asian American Heritage Month. And we thank you all for inviting us to share our unity and diversity and our ethnic cultures with each other. It's very important to do that. So thank you very much. And I've also been asked by Vice Mayor Bob Wykowski and Mayor Wasserman, again, to thank all of you. He had to step out, but he does thank you for coming and supporting the Asian American community. And again, we commend you for all your dedicated service. So thank you very much.
Yes, I would like to.
Good morning, everyone. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. And my name is Ding Wang. Is a director of Taipei Economic and Cultural Office in San Francisco. This office represents the Taiwan government and the people's interest in North California. It is my great honor to be here to join you in celebrate the 17th annual Asian American Heritage Festival. And so we're glad to be here. You know, everybody knows all of the cultural heritage are treasures on earth and also unique. We should cherish it. And since we live and stay here in the United States, the most important thing is we have to share experience with each other and respect cultural difference. Also appreciate what you have. I believe the AFC, the Asian American Federation of California, has provided a very important, wonderful platform. It helps us to remember our own heritage culture and also enhance the mutual understanding with the different groups. So that will make the city and the community more stronger and more united. So thanks so much. We are glad here. We are glad to be part of the community, part of the event, or the part of